Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how can you fix your iPhone battery draining faster after iOS 26 beta update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 26 beta and you are facing a problem that your device is battery draining faster on your device, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is a connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then tap on background app refresh and then turn this toggle off from here. Now after turning it off, check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply go back and then tap on privacy and security and then tap on location services and turn this toggle off from here. After turning it off, you have to just simply go back and then tap on battery and then you have to just simply turn on low power mode from here. So guys, after turning it off, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.